Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing the How To Lady. Today, we are excited because we have a wonderful DIY for you. We're going to show you how we constructed that bathroom. We showed you the finished product, but we didn't show you a couple of the steps that we went through in order to be able to revamp the bathroom. So we hope you like what you see. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, we're going to knock this ball out of the park.
When I decided to revamp the space beneath my cabinet in my master bathroom, I knew I would need the following items: scissors, a box, paint, a paintbrush, and tape. These items were necessary in order for me to accomplish my goal. The objective in this project was to cover up the pipes beneath the bathroom cabinet. The first step was to measure, and measure again. After I measured the pipes and their circumference, I then took those measurements and measured that cardboard. I creased the cardboard in the areas that I needed to be creased in order for me to fit it around the pipe beneath the cabinet. After I measured, creased, I then cut the cardboard in the shape that I needed it to be. Following, I taped the cardboard in place around the pipe to be sure that it would fit. In order to provide stability for the items that would be sitting on the base of the cabinet, I took an exercise mat, measured and cut, and placed it on the base of the cabinet. Next, I painted the cardboard and after drying, placed it around the piping. In order to secure the cardboard covering around the piping, I used a hot glue gun to glue the covering on the back wall behind the pipes. This secured the covering in place. I then let dry and decorated with a green ribbon. Originally, my plan was to cover the piping at the top and let the cardboard go all the way to the floor of the cabinet. But I decided to do otherwise and cut the cardboard to only fit from the top of the cabinet to where the bottom of the pipe ended. This would allow me to have a room underneath the pipe to store things. I then completed my look by putting down decorative items. I put colorful ribbon around the cardboard that is covering the piping, and I decorated the drawers that I put underneath the cabinet, and the cabinet was complete. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about this process, please leave that in the comments.
Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.